Okay. Listen carefully, all of you. When it comes to the um, condition types creations and all, if the program is very successful, I mean, if the program is having certain instructions to run the condition types, or else if the program is having condition components, okay, then it will going to run everywhere basically. If the program is not at all running very well, then what we will going to do? So we can't do anything first of all. Okay, so I mean we can able to prepare our own condition type. So based on that condition types, we can able to assign our own accruals and at the same accrual keys and accounting key for the particular type of processes. If the procedure is not there, then what we will do? So we can able to create the procedure, that's it. Okay, but how these procedures are running? So based on the accounting keys and accrual keys. Okay, in most of the people, they follow these condition types based on the system defined ones. So you are getting my points, right, all of you? And at the same time, yeah, I will show you. Open this notepad, ma'am. No worries. So here, all of you just to see, define new condition type and accounting key and GL account. Okay, that means you have to define your own condition type. Okay, using transaction code M/06, and you have the navigation path SPRO, material management, purchasing condition, define price determination process and define conditions and define. Then next to define accounting key. In the define accounting key, after completion of the define price determination process, I mean define condition types, you can able to have the define transaction key or event key. And you can able to assign accounting key and condition type with the help of pricing procedure using transaction code M/08. You're getting my points, right, all of you? So assign GL accounts using transaction key. So in account determination using transaction code OBYC. Obviously, we can do all these account assignments using transaction code OBYC. You know it very well. My point is that all of you, if particular procedures what I can able to say, if particular procedure is having the exact programs which is running obviously in a correct mode, okay, so then that could give you the exact result, all of you. Okay, now we can able to see. So yesterday we have seen our own creations, condition types, okay, with the help of copying conditions. But the copying condition hasn't had the exact background jobs. Okay, I mean program background jobs and on. So that is why those things are not calculated with the help of fixed amounts. Okay, so system will going to give you the system defined ones, then how to read it and how to accept it and how to copy it and how to regularize each and every option for our own procedure. Okay, and as well as in the purchase orders. Now what we will going to do is go to the transaction code M/06, ma'am. So we wanted to add the freight charges, all of you. If you want to add the freight charges and all, okay, so we do have the defined conditions, right? All of you. So just to see, I mean, 0100 is for the gross price. Okay. FTX is for the future fixing. FRA1 is for the freight percentages, that is discount or surcharge, and that we can call it as a percentage. So this is the system defined ones of all of you. Okay, so every time take out the percentage, not the amount. If you take out the percentage based on that net amount, it will going to calculate the fixed prices and all. I mean fixed freight charges and all. You cannot include the price charges within the amount. You can include the price charges, I mean, sorry, freight charges, okay, with the help of net amount only. Okay, so that is the choice that we have. What we need to do is you can just double click on FRA1, double click on FRA1. See, all of you, condition type is discount or surcharge. You know it very well. Okay, so positive or minus. Positive or minus means here, go to the value, ma'am. Positive or minus. No. Here only positive or minus means plus or minus. Go to the drop down option. See, all of you, take out positive and negative. Okay. Take out the positive and negative, all of you. Okay, it will going to give you the exact choice that we have right now. So the next one is when it comes to the calculation time, it is particularly related to the, so it is particularly related to the percentage. When it comes to the percentages and all of you, so don't take any fixed amounts and all. If you take the fixed amounts, program has to be run in a proper mode. If the program hasn't run in a proper mode, what we will going to do? So we just come back to the condition type for A1. Okay, so you need to change the calculation type as a percentage first of all. Okay, condition category is delivery costs. Okay, see why I am having this delivery costs and all. That means in your Miro transaction code, okay, in your Miro transaction, open the Miro transaction code, ma'am. Take out the new screen. Go to the transaction code Miro. Give the company code. See, all of you in this PO reference tab and at the line item level, okay, you can able to see goods or services plus planned delivery costs. Okay, how it will going to come? Go to this M/06 screen. So how this planned delivery costs will coming into the picture using transaction code MIRO. Okay, so that is particularly related to condition category only. Based on that condition category, so it will reflect. So that is the choice that we have, all of you. If you want to reflect this condition type, okay, what for your procedure, what you need to do, so you have to assign and you have to assign the accounting key and all. So and after that, changes which can be made, so you have to select the header conditions. Okay, all of you. So the next one is amount or percentages and item conditions and all. So that is also very, very important. Can you come down, ma'am? See, all of you, scale basis is a value scale basis. Scale basis is a value Scale basis. Open the scales, ma'am. Value scales means what, all of you? If you enter 50,000 rupees for 5 quantity, net price is 50,000 rupees. Okay, and at the same time, scaling values. Okay, scaling values, you have scale basis, right? So what is the scale basis here? Open the scale basis. Open the scale basis under the scales. You can just see, all of you. It is a not the routines. Remote scale basis, not the formula. Scale basis. I'm talking about left side. Scale basis, ma'am. First option. Open the drop down option. So here, see, all of you, you are taking as a quantity scale, or you are taking as a value scale, or you are taking as a gross weight scale, or you are taking as a net weight scale or volume scale based on a formula. See, like this you have. Okay, so you just need to have one more option for each and everything. So that is value scale. Okay, so take out as a value scale, all of you. So the next one is under this control data, why we are using the accruals. Why you are using the accruals, all of you? So basically, whatever the accruals or deferral you have the process, right, enables you to show receivables and revenues. Okay, so where posting of the actual document doesn't correspond with the expenses was incurred or revenue earned. First of all, in financial statement issued on a particular key date. Basically, all of you, revenue is recognized whenever a sale or transaction occurs, regardless of the payment is made. That we can call it as an accrual. Based on what? Based on the amount or based on the percentages. So you have already tick marked the manual entries. With the help of this manual entries, you have amount or percentages, right? So this is the way you can able to set up the configuration for the condition type. Okay, so that is the very important thing that we have. Ma'am, in the scale basis, what is the value? Why you have taken the value scale? Open that one. You just need to do B. Okay, good. So go to the save button and save it. So accruals is very important, all of you. Okay, so for automatic transactions to recognize the expenses and all. Okay, so you need to have this accruals. Go with the sequences and all of you. Okay, so now what we need to do is go to the transaction code M/08. Okay, so already you have predefined accounting keys, all of you, that is FR1 and all. Okay, so what we need to do is we can able to go back to the FR1. Yes, FR1 is the accounting key, and we will go back to the procedure and try to find out your own procedures and all. If you are finding the procedures, okay, so then there is no issue. And at the same time, if you are following, I mean, if the processor is followed by the material type, okay, so then what we will do? So we do have the document that is RM100. Okay, so based on that, I mean, this price processor is having our own condition types. Okay, with the help of material type. Then go to the control data. So this FRA1 is already there, all of you. Okay, so with the help of this step, that is 10. You got my point? It is particularly related to the manual, or else I will show you. So select this one and delete it. Go to the delete option. Go to the subheader. Go to the new entries. It's simple, all of you. So take out that step as 10, same thing, and condition type as FRA1. And you can just tick mark the manual check and at the same time status check and all. Then give the accounting key. What is the accounting key, all of you? In OBYC transaction code, you will going to find out the accounting keys, right? Based on that accounting keys, you will going to assign the what we can able to say. You will going to assign the exact FI2MM integration accounts in transaction code OBYC. So for that thing, you can able to find out the transaction keys. Okay, we can call it as a accounting keys. So here you can able to enter accounting key with the help of accruals keys. What is the accrual key, all of you? Same thing. FR1 is the accrual keys. So give the FR1 and FR1. Click on the enter, go to the subheader and save it. So freight is particularly related to the percentages and all. Okay, so this is the way you can able to assign each and everything. Now what we need to do. So go to the transaction code ME21N. Go to the transaction code ME21N and take out the vendor. Take out the vendor. So meanwhile, open this open the next session, ma'am, and go to the transaction code MM02. I will show you. So go to the transaction code MM02. Give your material, give backspace, take out the material, that is, yeah, 5006597. Take out the accounting tab 1. Okay, pricing, we can able to have the moving price and average price and standard prices we have, right? So go to the continue option. Go to the continue option and give your own plant. Give your own plant. Yes, go to the continue option. See, all of you. So if it is related to this standard price, what is the standard price that you are giving? Standard price is 10,000 rupees, all of you. Okay, and till now we have stock availability 40 stocks we have acquired. Okay, so based on the price variances and all, it will going to calculate the moving average price. Okay, so you no need to have that much doubts on the moving prices and all. Based on the previous total value and present total value, so it will going to calculate the moving average price by system. Okay, I mean by default things only. So you don't have any problem here, first of all, and at the same time, so you have given the standard price, that is 10,000 rupees. Okay, you got my point, right, all of you. And the material price has been decreased to the 9,000 rupees. When the material price has been decreased to the 9,000 rupees, what you will going to have, all of you? You will going to have price differences, obviously. Okay, so but the material inventory things will be applied only on 9,000 rupees only. And how we can able to do it with the help of freight charges and all. Now we will going to see it. Go to the transaction code ME21 and same thing. Go to that screen. Click on the enter, ma'am. So assign your purchasing organization, purchasing group, and company code. Click on the enter. So here, whatever the item that you can able to take. So take any item. Take out your material. Short text is any. Okay, and PO quantity. So suppose can you take 5 quantity, 5 or 6, 5 or 6. So what is the delivery date, all of you? Okay, 07.03.2024. What is the net price? All of you, we have already fixed the price. What is that fixed price? 10,000 rupees. Now what we need to do in that net price, you need to if the price is decreased to 9,000 rupees, yeah, give 9,000 rupees. Give 9,000 rupees. You will get a clarity, all of you. Okay, so what is the material group if it is related to the electronics and on? See, whatever the material groups that you have taken in the material master. Okay, so you just need to do it, all of you. So what is the plant and what is the storage location and all, you need to give it. Okay, click on the enter. So system will going to take out the net price for the item 00015 adapted from the last document. Okay, so don't allow the last document. You just need to allow your own price. Okay, remove the price and just give 9,000 rupees. That's it. Okay, so now what we need to do is go to the conditions. Go to the conditions here. Go to the conditions here. So previously we have given our own freight charges, all of you. Okay, the system is taking for 9,000 5 quantities. 5 into 9,000 is equal to 45,000 rupees, all of you. Okay, 45,000 into 3% is equal to 1,350 rupees. Okay, so total net amount will be 46,350 rupees is there. Okay, so 46,350 rupees is there. But when it comes to the material price, you have entered a standard price as 10,000 rupees, and now it is showing 46,350 rupees. And what could be the exact difference between standard price and normal entering prices and all? Now you will going to see it. Go to the check option, ma'am. Go to the check option. If it is okay, go to the save button. If it is okay, all of you go to the save button. Yes, no messages during check. Now, so take out this purchase order 4500022607. Okay, so go to the Miro transaction code. Go to the Miro transaction code. Copy this one. Go to the Miro transaction. Sorry, Migo. That is goods receipt, right? After purchase order, so you have goods receipt, right? Go to the transaction code Migo. Click on the enter and just give your purchase order. Just give your purchase order and give your plant and go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. Okay, so quantity in delivery is 5, and when it comes to the things that is partner functions and all, that is PC. Okay, so click on the enter. Click on the enter. If it is item okay, what you need to do is you need to check, then post. You need to check, then post. So the plant data of the material is locked by the user. What you need to do is go to the MM02, give /n. Remove it. Go to the transaction code. You have in the screen, right? No, material screen. Open the material screen. Open the material screen, ma'am. So you have opened, right? Give /n here. So it is showing the error message check and come back to this screen. That is Migo. Now check it. Now it is changed to the green state, is right. Document is okay. Then post the document. So material document has been posted. Okay. Now what we need to do is go to the transaction code MB03. So it will going to have the material document MB03. Okay. So now you have the material document, right? So what we need to do is with the help of this purchase order, okay, we can able to see the accounting documents with the help of freight charges, and also you need to get the price differences, right? So why you need to get the price difference means 9,000 is the main net price that we have taken, and there is a difference, that is 1,000 rupees is the difference with the help of 5 quantities. Now how we can able to do it, and I mean how you can able to see it, go to the accounting documents, you can able to see the entry. So see all of you, what is the price differences that you have? Okay, and at the same time, what is the freight charges that you have? Including freight charges, it will going to have the price differences. At the same time, freight clearing account. Okay, what is the freight clearing? 1,350 rupees is the freight clearing. Okay, for the 45,000 rupees only, all of you. Okay, you just see it is included for the own material only, not for the inventory. Okay, inventory is 50,000. That means you have entered the standard prices, right? So that is referring to the standard price, but you have only entered the stock that is available with the net price, that is 45,000 rupees. You got my point, right, all of you? Now, with the help of this Amigo, so you can just go to the transaction code Miro, or else I will show you this. Give me 1 second, I will take out the screenshot. Go to the transaction code Miro. Simple, all of you. I will show you. In the invoice receipt, okay. Take out the invoice date 06.03.2024. No need to enter any amount. In this purchase order, so yes, give the purchase order 4500022607, right? Give the purchase order. Take out that one 607. Okay, so now what you need to do is click on the enter. So you have taken goods or services plus planned delivery cost. See all of you. See the delivery cost is coming into the picture with the help of condition type. Okay, that is FRA1, that is 1,350. See all of you. So it is taking original stock price, that is 45,000 rupees. You are getting my point, right, all of you? So 46,350 rupees has to include here. Now what we need to do? So go to this amount, ma'am. Go to this amount and just change to the 46,350. See all of you. You have the options like goods or service items plus planned delivery costs. And if you want to include own, goods or service items and on, you can just include. If you want to include own planned delivery costs for that particular vendors, so you can able to raise it. See, that is the choices that we have, all of you. So click on the enter. Click on the enter. Go to the transaction code OBBZ and try to change your tax procedure. Give /n and once again open the mirror transaction code. So all of you, first we see the things with the help of without taxes and all. So then we can able to see all these things with the help of tax codes. Okay. Now what we need to do is go to the simulate option, ma'am. Click on the enter. So here you have 45,000 plus planned delivery cost is say for 1,350. So total is 46,350. See, when you have the invoice receipt things and all, okay, that means GR or IR clearing account debtor, freight charges account debtor to the vendor account creditor. Okay, that is the most choice that we have. Now go to the post option. Now go to the post option. Click on the enter, no issue. Click on the enter. Right, all of you. This document has been created. When this document has been created, what you need to do? So you need to go back to the FBL1N transaction code. So you just go to the transaction code FBL1N and see the open items, whether this open item is existed or not. You need to observe it. FBL1N. Click on the enter. Yes, go to the execute option. See all of you. 46,350 rupees has been existed with the help of RE. You are getting my point, right? Raw material purchases from vendor. If you want to see the things and all, double click on 26004 and freight charges has to be included, all of you. Okay, you are getting my point, right? Now go to the transaction code MM02. We have updated the stock, raw material stock we have updated. Okay, so it is increased to 5, right? Now you can able to see in the transaction code MM02. Go to the transaction code go to this item overview, ma'am. Go to this item overview in the FBL1N item overview. Open the tree option. We can call it as a document overview. In this document overview, all of you see, they will just ask you the entries, all of you. With the help of input taxes, with the help of freight charges, with the help of cash discounts and all these are scenarios. Are you getting my point, right? Now go to the transaction code MM02. Give /n, go to the transaction code MM02. Go to the continue option. Click on the enter. Take out the accounting tab 1. Go to the continue option. Give the plant. Go to the continue option, no issue. Now see all of you. Total stock. Is it increased to 45, right? It is increased to 45. And what is the total value? So 50,000 has been increased. I mean, with the help of price differences and all. Okay, 50,000 has been added. Total value. But you will see the stock prices with the help of own line item displays. Okay, and at the same time, if you don't have any clarity and all, you can able to use the FK10N. Okay, FK10N, you can able to see the display items of the vendors and all. Okay, so that is the choice that we have. So try to see it. But vendor, I mean, you have to pay to the vendor. That amount is 46,350 rupees. That's it, right? I mean, in the entry view, you can able to see it. Okay. Now what we need to do? 46,350 rupees. You need to clear. Okay. So go to the transaction code F-53 to clear this amount. See, all of you, moving price is changing based on the value that you entered and the availability stock price. Okay, in the MM02 transaction code. That is the most important choice that we have, all of you. Okay. Hmm. 46,350 rupees is the clearing amount, right? And clear it. So this document has been posted, right? And go to the transaction code FBL1 and see the details. See, all of you, this has been cleared now. Okay, so 46,350 rupees has been cleared. You got my point, right? With the help of 5010 document number. So this is the way you can able to do it, all of you, regarding with things. Now you get somewhat clarity, right? So now, yeah.